Sooner Standards, Troubleshooting Problems Across Connected Systems, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard. 7.CS.T.01. Students learn to identify and resolve complex software and hardware problems utilizing strategies such as developing and analyzing flow diagrams. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of single device versus connected system troubleshooting, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons is of no prep. HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.